Since 1955, Toyota's Crown has been a mainstay of Japanese car culture. The long-running, large luxury saloon line has won many hearts and minds with its front-engine, rear-wheel drive format. However, things are about to change, and rather dramatically. Toyota recently unveiled the all-new 2023 Crown, and the response has mostly been positive. Toyota's Avalon replacement sits somewhere between a sedan and an SUV, with a hint of coupe. It still has the same basic design as a sedan, but it rides higher off the ground and has a coupe-like roofline. However, the Crown nameplate will not be used for just one body style. Instead, Toyota introduced the Crown in 4 different body styles, so let's talk about it. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Toyota's new 2023 Crown. Make sure to stick with us to the end of the video to find out everything about this new model. After decades of absence from North America, the Toyota Crown nameplate has returned to our shores. Although its replacement for the discontinued Avalon, this is no traditional sedan. It is no secret that the sedan is a dying breed in America's car market, spurred on by the greater profit margins and increasing customer interest brought on by SUVs. Automakers like Ford and Chevrolet have started to kill off their sedan offerings altogether. Toyota itself has a large collective of SUVs and crossovers to offer, but the brand has been very vocal about its commitment to keeping sedans alive. That said, the automaker's new and updated Crown sedan would have to do something different to lure customers out of the growing crossover market. So, the 2023 Crown straddles the line between car and SUV, perhaps with the intent to broaden its appeal to shoppers outside the shrinking full-size sedan segment. Either way, the Crown's mix of high driving position and 3-box styling taps a niche vacated by rising sedans over yesteryear such as the Subaru Legacy SUS and the Volvo S60 Cross Country. Although a plug-in hybrid and an EV variant were both rumored, the 2023 Crown launches with a pair of conventional hybrid powertrains. The entry-level arrangement is a familiar one, pairing a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 3 electric motors and continuously variable automatic transmission, or CVT. The most expensive Platinum model gets an exclusive hybrid max powertrain that sees a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor on the rear axle to combine for 340 horsepower. Apart from this, the Crown's distinctive look and oddball body style are complemented by what looks to be a spacious cabin outfitted with premium features. Moreover, Toyota is equipping all Crown models with a generous amount of standard drive assistance systems and infotainment tech. Therefore, coincidentally, the new Crown appears as a rising sedan due to a seating position that sits 4 inches higher than the Camrys and a roofline to match, just as the first Venza presented as a raised wagon. So what's new for 2023? The Crown will be a new addition to the Toyota's US lineup, and we expect to see the Crown on sale by the end of 2022 or in early 2023. But how much does it cost, and which one should you buy? Toyota hasn't released any information on pricing or features for the upcoming Crown SUV, but we know it will be offered in 3 trim levels and provide a more luxury-oriented experience than other 4-door offerings from the brand. The most intriguing option is the more powerful hybrid max powertrain, which is exclusive to the top-end Platinum trim. Talking about its engine, transmission, and performance, all Crown models have a hybrid powertrain, but only the top-spec Platinum model gets Toyota's new hybrid max setup, which pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor on the rear axle for a combined 340 horsepower. The XLE and Limited models get a less powerful 236 horsepower hybrid system that uses a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and 3 electric motors. Adding to this, the XLE and Limited have a continuously variable automatic transmission, or CVT, while the Platinum uses a 6-speed automatic. All-wheel drive is standard on every trim. Toyota says the suspension has been tuned for a relaxing ride. So we're not expecting cornering heroics from the Crown, but the Platinum model does come with adaptive dampers. On the other hand, the EPA of the vehicle has yet to weigh in, but Toyota estimates the Crown, with the base hybrid powertrain, will be capable of returning up to 38 miles per gallon. Moreover, the Platinum model's more powerful hybrid max powertrain is claimed to deliver around 28 miles per gallon. Talking about its interior, inside the Crown's cabin looks appropriately premium. Drivers who trade in their Avalon sedans are in for an upgrade, especially if they buy a Limited or Platinum model. The driving position is raised for a traditional sedan height to something akin to a compact SUV, which may make the Crown an attractive alternative to full-size sedans that still adhere to a more traditional formula. All models come standard with 8-way power-adjustable front seats with heat, dual-zone automatic climate control, and ambient interior lighting, but limited and platinum trims add a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, and ventilated front seats. In addition, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard across the range, and it runs Toyota's latest and much improved software interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are integrated into the infotainment software and connect to smartphones via a wireless connection. A second 12.3-inch display has digital gauges in front of the driver, and the Crown also includes niceties such as the wireless smartphone charging pad, onboard Wi-Fi, and USB-C ports. The base XLE trim comes with a 6-speaker stereo, but limited and platinum models come with 11-speaker JBL stereo instead. Apart from these, we know that safety and driver assistance features are the most important part of any vehicle. Toyota equips most of its cars with a host of standard driver assistance features, and the Crown is no different. All models come with a package of features including automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic high beam headlamps, and more. Key safety features in the new 2023 Crown include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and standard adaptive cruise control with lane centering. The Crown has always been a luxury model in Toyota's global lineup, typically the second most expensive of the brand's sedans, so it must have some luxurious features as well. So, keeping this objective in mind, every 2023 Toyota Crown model will arrive with acoustic glass intended to block out road noise, while additional sound deadening is placed throughout the cabin. Toyota even went as far as to tune the suspensions to try and eliminate the nasty frequencies from finding their way into the passenger compartment. Furthermore, the Toyota Crown XLE and Limited are available in 5 exterior colors. Now, if we talk about its price, Toyota has yet to provide pricing information for the upcoming Crown model. That said, the fact that the company lists the Crown as the 2023 model year product means we shouldn't have to wait much longer for all the specific details to roll out. Whether or not the sedan utility vehicle is a high point in Crown history will remain up to the American market. But does this new vehicle have any rivals? The Crown sits in a white space segment. It's neither a sedan in the name mold as the North American market Toyota Avalon, nor is it as high-riding as a BMW X6. So more theatrical rivals would be the likes of the Ford Mondeo, Citroën S5X, and the stunning new Peugeot 408. But none of those are offered in North America. The Ford Mustang Mach-E would be a close match, but it's only offered in an EV. Instead, we expect it to vie for buyers who'd be otherwise split between large sedans like the Nissan Maxima and midsize SUVs, such as the Chevrolet Blazer, at least until it gets more direct competition from another rival brand. So, Toyota is sunsetting one premium full-size sedan only to introduce another. This one with crossover influences and a pair of hybrid powertrains. As for the reveal, fortunately, we won't have to wait much longer to view the Crown in all of its official glory, as Toyota locked in a debut for July 15th, with the sales kicking off in October, so save the date. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.